Hello guys, Silver Game of Thrones. How are you doing today? With all this market, all this, Dow today, how much? 1200 or 1500 down? We are living in interesting times, huh? So stuck, keep going. I keep stucking. I don't care what this shit is going on around me. I know this piece will always be in request, This people will always ask for this piece. Gold. Today we talk about gold. And also I pick up another piece for my Rwanda collection, which is Cheetah 2013. Very rare. We'll talk about this. So let's go into this. So first one is 10 ruble. 10 ruble. So last days, as I said, I start to change my priority and I start to look more into gold. But what I want to do, I want to be kind of on the safe side. So I don't want to look into gold, but I want to look into, if it's possible, of course. No one knows that it's possible, yes or no. I want to look into gold like this. Why I'm looking into gold like this? Why I don't buy? Nice piece, huh? It's 10 ruble. 10 ruble, Nikolai II. So if you look, let's say I buy just, some gold, just, maybe Britain, maybe just American silver, American gold, American Eagle gold. And you basically, when you buy this, you are locked to the spot price. And you see what's going on today, how much today is the spot price. I didn't check. It's 1636. You see, it fell almost from 1700 when I buy this piece. It was last week. Today it fell on 70 bucks. You see, you always, connected to spot price. I don't want to be connected to spot price. I want this to be gold. I want also some numismatic value. You see, these pieces, there are not many left. So let's see what year it is. Let's look, dig in a little bit. So it's in 1898, okay? And when I look on the back side, I don't know if you're able to see the back side, it tell me it's AG should be. Yes, Zolotoy. 1824 Dolly AG. You see, this is AG, okay? So what we know, let me see if it's possible to see here, and AG in Russian, okay? Yes, AG in Russian. So what is it? What I'm looking into Numista side, and it's telling me AG is Apollon Graskov, okay? So it was done by Apollon Graskov, and 1898 it was only 200,000 minted. 200,000 minted, and this piece is 120 years plus old, and only 200,000 minted. You know what I'm thinking, I'm thinking that this piece will have value. It doesn't matter what will be the gold price, It has quarter ounce of gold, okay? Quarter ounce of gold today costs $1,400, $1,450, and I pick up this piece for $428. So it's like $430 I pay delivered. You see where I'm going? So it has double security for me. First of all, it's pure gold, quarter ounce of gold. No, it's not pure gold, sorry, it's 90%, 22 karat gold. I mean, it's a gold inside, 22 karat gold, 90%, which is telling me that quarter ounce of gold is inside, okay? 10 ruble, 98. First of all, it has a quarter ounce of gold, okay? Anyway, I'm buying gold. Second, it has numismatic value. Numismatic value cannot go down with these pieces because, Bolshevik and communists, they melted the majority of this, they just melted when they started this revolution. They melted 90% of these gold coins, And whatever left, how many is this left? 1,000. If you see very good condition, of course it's not an excellent condition, right? It's still good. I see it's the right average. but it's not an excellent condition. But excellent condition go for $1,000 So I was thinking, like, if I buy gold, I buy some numismatic gold, so I will have you know, kind of double layer protection. This is my vision. Okay, so the quarter ounce of gold into my collection, 200,000 minted. It's 1898 year, done by Apollon Graskov. Very nice, very nice. It's a Чистого злата 3 złotnika $69.36, which is 0.2489. So it's almost a quarter ounce of gold, almost, you know, like milligrams, less than milligrams. Very nice piece, and I like all this history about it's Romanov Empire, you know, one of the strongest empire in this world, and it's really, really, you know, nice coin, and also to handle and also to give to your relatives. Okay, so this is what I have. So let's do some digging. Is it real gold or not? Okay, so first of all, I want to see how many grams it has. Gram. What the heck is going on here? Gram, 0. Okay, 8.6 gram. Okay, so I'm looking into this side, how much it's supposed to be. Yep, 8.6 gram. Okay, first test, passed. Then I have my Signa metallic. I'm running my second test. Power. Run. Gold. $98.7, 90%. I don't know if you're able to see, guys. Okay, so I put it here. I have the wand. How I can test 90% going. Okay, run. Yep, it's a pure gold. Pure gold. Other side. I know it's pure gold because I bought it from a guy who has a lot of feedbacks on eBay, so it's not a crap. So it's gold. So far so good. Okay. So gold is my priorities. As I said, I want to increase my gold stack. I want to have my silver to gold ratio 1 to 100. So for 1,000 ounces of silver, I want to have 10 ounces of gold. This is my priority. I don't know where we go with this economy. I don't know. You know, silver is half industrial, half money, you know, kind of precious metal. I don't know where we go. It may go down, may go up. So there is trust in silver, but with current situation, maybe 80%, but 100% is gold. That's why, you know, you must have gold in your obsession, because gold is where all these bankers put the money. So we need to follow them, you know. Don't listen what they say. Just do what they do, you know. They buy gold and silver, so like we shall be good. But don't be overloaded on silver. It should be 2 pieces, silver and gold. So here I am, just sharing with you. Okay, next one. Cheetah 2013. Okay, this is Rwanda collection. So now we are going back to my. Now just you guys understand. All this box is around 100 coins. Okay, it's all premium, but let's say it's not premium. This is the best collection which I have. It's all kind of different collections, but I just collect best of the best. If I see collection doesn't have, you know, some value, I just sell it on eBay. Okay, I just try to keep the best of the best for me, for my family. So I have this Rwanda. So this Rwanda, I keep it from 2015, I think, but I already pick up 14. I was hunting 13 as well. So I'm very happy that I have this all Rwanda collections. And yeah, 2020, 2018. So I have all of them. They are so beautiful. You see giraffe. I say it's a mouse 2020. Yeah, 2019. Usually they do 3 coins every year. It's a pig, and so on. They have all different collection. I have almost all of them. I'm telling you, if you never see this, you don't know why I'm getting so expensive. But trust me, they are one of the best collection which you can buy. Premium collection, Rwanda collection. Whatever as I say, I know the mintage is like around 50K, but whatever I see, the 2013, this coin, I was hunting probably 3 months. Because I don't want to overpay, right? No one want to overpay. But you cannot find it less than 50, 60 bucks today. So I succeed to, I give a bid like 38 bucks, and it was just my luck because no one was there. And I pick up it for 38 or 36, something like delivered. And I'm very happy. You know, so I'm going to open it. I don't have space to keep it in a capsule. And by the way, this kind of protection, you only see guys in Rwanda, okay? There is no other coins where they're protected. So I'm moving it back. So I don't even to see, I don't need even to see if it's real silver, but anyway, I'm going to check it just on the safe side. Okay, so it is supposed to be silver. Silver 39, right? Yes, 39, run. Yeah, it's a pure silver. Of course, you know, who will do counterfeit on this, you know, this kind of coins? They are so beautiful, so rare. So like, this is a beauty. Look on this. Cheetah, African. Yeah, so this is a African cheetah, and this is a wildlife series from Africa, and it's incredibly popular, incredibly. This intricate design, and you know, all this history from Rwanda, I just like it. There's no any other coin like this. I'm telling you, it's one of the best in my collection. Fies Mirongo. I don't like the back side so much, but front side it's beautiful. Okay, so it's verified, it's silver. It's going to one of my capsules. I'm not sure if it's right capsule. No, probably not this one. Yeah, I need to pick up another one. I have it. So that's it. This is what I want to share. And guys, keep stacking. Don't be upset with current situation. You know, silver, gold prices go down. Who cares? It's a paper silver, right? If you look in eBay, I'm looking into eBay, and all this buffalo, which you can buy for 1800, for 100 ounce, 1800. They cost now 1900 for 100 pieces, you know. So it's, you know, there is a gap between physical silver and between paper silver, and paper silver can go down, but the gap, you know, will only increase and increase. And this is what we will see probably going forward, that it will be hard to get the physical silver, but it will be, you know, price manipulation for a paper silver, what I call it, the spot price. So keep stacking. Thanks for being with me. Gold and silver are two things to stack. So keep going. And please subscribe, please hit these notifications. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.